Hey there, future Web3 enthusiast. If you're watching this, chances are you're curious about diving into the world of Web3 blockchain, decentralized apps, NFTs, DAOs, and all that futuristic tech that's reshaping the internet as we know it. But here's the thing, with so many courses out there, how do you know which ones are worth your time and money? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 Web3 courses you should take in 2025 to future-proof your skills, land that dream job, or even launch your own decentralized project. Oh, and I'll also share the essential skills, tools, and timelines you'll need to master along the way. Let's get started. Before we dive into the courses, let's quickly talk about why Web3 is such a big deal. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, where power shifts from big corporations to users like you and me. It's all about decentralization, transparency, and ownership. Think of it as the internet's democratization. Whether you're a developer, designer, marketer, or just a curious learner, Web3 offers endless opportunities. But to thrive in this space, you need the right skills, and that's where these courses come in. Alright, let's jump into the top 7 Web3 courses you should consider in 2025. I've handpicked these based on their content, relevance, and the skills they teach. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. First up, Blockchain Basics. This is your starting point if you're new to Web3. You'll learn the fundamentals of blockchain technology, how it works, what makes it secure, and why it's the backbone of Web3. Skills you'll gain: understanding consensus mechanisms, like proof of work and proof of stake, cryptography, and smart contracts. Tools you'll use: Ethereum, Bitcoin, and basic blockchain explorers. Timeline: 4 to 6 weeks. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to build a solid foundation before diving deeper. Next, smart contract development with Solidity. If you're into coding, this is a must. Solidity is the programming language used to write smart contracts on Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains. Skills you'll gain: writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts. Tools you'll use: Remix IDE, Hardhat, and MetaMask. Timeline: 8 to 10 weeks. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own decentralized applications, dApps. How cool is that? DeFi is one of the hottest areas in Web3, and this course will teach you everything you need to know about decentralized finance. Skills you'll gain: understanding liquidity pools, yield farming, and decentralized exchanges. Tools you'll use: Uniswap, Aave, and Chainlink. Timeline: 6 to 8 weeks. If you're interested in the future of finance, this course is a game changer. Love art, gaming, or digital collectibles? Then NFT Mastery is for you. This course covers everything from minting your first NFT to building your own NFT marketplace. Skills you'll gain: NFT creation, smart contract integration, and marketplace development. Tools you'll use: IPFS, OpenSea, and ERC 721 standards. Timeline: 6 to 8 weeks. By the end, you'll be ready to launch your own NFT project or even start a career in the booming NFT space. With great power comes great responsibility, and in Web3, security is everything. This course focuses on Web3 security and auditing. Skills you'll gain: identifying vulnerabilities in smart contracts and conducting security audits. Tools you'll use: Slither, MythX, and Truffle. Timeline: 8 to 10 weeks. If you're detail-oriented and love solving puzzles, this could be your niche. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, are changing how we think about governance and collaboration. This course teaches you how to build and manage a DAO. Skills you'll gain: designing governance models, tokenomics, and community management. Tools you'll use: Aragon, Snapshot, and DAO frameworks. Timeline: 6 to 8 weeks. If you're passionate about community-driven projects, this is your go-to course. Finally, for the coders who want to go all in, Advanced Web3 Development teaches you how to build full-stack decentralized applications. Skills you'll gain: front-end and back-end development for dApps, integrating Web3.js, and deploying on mainnet. Tools you'll use: React, Web3.js, and Infura. Timeline: 10 to 12 weeks. This is the ultimate course for aspiring Web3 developers. Now that you know the top courses, how do you choose the right one? Here's a quick guide. Beginners, start with blockchain basics. Developers, go for smart contract development or advanced Web3 development. Creatives, NFT mastery is your best bet. Finance enthusiasts, dive into DeFi. Security buffs, Web3 security and auditing is calling your name. Community leaders, building DAOs will set you up for success. Remember, you don't have to do all of them, pick the ones that align with your goals. Before you start, here are some essential tools you'll need across all courses. Wallets, MetaMask, Phantom. IDs, Remix, VS Code. Blockchain networks, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana. Learning platforms, Coursera, Udemy, and specialized Web3 academies like BuildSpace. As for the timeline, most courses take 6 to 12 weeks to complete, depending on your pace. But don't rush, Web3 is complex, and mastering it takes time. Consistency is key. Alright, here's my final advice. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself, pick one course and stick to it, join communities. Discord, Telegram, and Twitter are great places to connect with other learners. Build projects. Theory is great, but hands-on experience is what will set you apart. Stay curious. Web3 is evolving fast, so keep learning and adapting. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.